Today I'm going to destroy some light bulbs and film it in slow motion, 500 frames per second and 1000 frames per second, using my Sony, here we go, Sony RX10 MK2, superb camera. Does 250, 500 and 1000 frames a second. Here's the setup. Got a pendulum which I simply hold up. I'm doing this all by myself, so I simply hold that, release it. At the same time I'm holding my finger on the trigger on the camera here. The pendulum smashes the bulb, I hit the button, job done. Also got a 500 watt halogen lamp here to illuminate the scene. Once the bulb's gone out, you need some light to light up the breaking glass. So fingers crossed, it'll all go well.